I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you exactly what's in the box. And I'm gonna install it tomorrow. So here goes what exactly is in the box. First, you got the horn. So you got this horn right here. And when you mount it, you wanna make sure this is face down, just in case it rains or water wanna get inside of it. So you wanna make sure and mount this face down or over to the side at an angle. And you also comes with this little mounting bracket right here. It goes on and it comes with this screw, and this screws right on there. So you tighten that down, then you're gonna mount this to the frame with the original screws, or get you another screw, a tap-in screw, and mount it to the frame. And you also have this fuse. It's a 30-amp fuse. It's a spare free fuse, so this is just a spare. And you also have these, they call them zip ties. I call them tie wraps. So they give you about 6 of these so that you can tie everything up neatly. And you got the instructions. It's real simple. You got different steps, what you want to do, and it gives you an alternative. You could wire directly to the battery if you don't have a bus bar or you don't have that pulse bar that you plug this into. So these instructions are really simple. And you got this wiring harness. And it's a lot of it. It's about 6 feet long. And right here, I'm gonna disconnect this and show you. Just push this down and pull that out. And this right here, they call this piece, this is your toggle switch for your horn. And you want to mount that in, and then this connects directly to that. And then what you got right here, you got a relay. So you got a relay on there, and I think it's soldered. I hadn't cut any of that yet, but I think it's soldered together. And you also have this that goes to your pulse bar or bus bar under your ATV, and it plugs right into that spare one. Like they said, if you don't have a bus bar, you can always cut this off and wire it directly to the battery. And the instructions in there tells you how to do that. And then when you plug this in, you have this right here. This right here is just a fuse. If I open this up, I think I got some fingernails. You have that 30-amp fuse in there. So like I said, this one is just a spare, just in case this one go out. So that fuse just pulls straight out, and you can connect it right back. So it got the fuse. So that's all what comes in here. It ain't nothing to it. It just looks like a lot of mess. But like I said, I'm gonna install this tomorrow. It shouldn't take me no more than an hour. It gives you the instructions on how to do it. And I'll walk you through the process of what I did to get this installed. So I'll put a link in this video right here, so you can just click the link and go straight to the installation. But this is what's inside the box. All right, have a great day.